If you feel like you're drifting, like you've lost your direction, your fire, or even your identity, you're not alone. This feeling isn't failure, it's a signal. A message from your soul. It's time to come home to yourself. Welcome to Awakening Mentor, where your healing begins. And your growth is never rushed. Every week I share powerful voiceover reflections to help you reset, rebuild, and rise. So if you're ready to come home to yourself, let's begin part 1. Why you feel lost. You feel lost because you've been trying to meet expectations that were never yours. Because you've been surviving on autopilot. Because you've given so much, you forgot how to give to yourself. Feeling lost is not a weakness, it's your inner compass. Part 2. Signs you're not broken. Here's what no one tells you. People who feel lost are often the ones who've grown the most. You outgrew a version of you that could no longer hold your truth. You're not failing. You're just in between chapters. Part 3. How to find yourself again. 1. Slow down. Silence reveals what noise hides. Journal without filters. Let your truth spill out. Take one small step towards something that feels like you, not what others expect. Not what earns applause, but what lights you up inside. You are not lost. You are just on your way home. Don't rush it. Don't fake it. Trust the pull inside you. If this message found you at the right time, leave a comment below and let your voice be part of the healing. Don't forget to like this video if it spoke to your heart. And subscribe to Awakening Mentor for weekly reminders that you're not alone on this journey. Until next time, keep going.